type of wood they picked is gonna naturally warp from all the moisture and humidity in here. This is not at all the right choice for a bathroom, especially if you're not gonna finish it properly, because then it just warps right out. Totally unfinished. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, the fan just kind of kicks on randomly. You sure you didn't accidentally turn on like a heater or something weird? No, it's that's kind of weird.
I don't know. Oh, you got a lightsaber, dude?
Oh.
Not compatible with boxing gloves, though.
It could be. I mean.
It seems to be a problem, actually.
All right, time to get to work for me. So we'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna probably. I forgot my gear to mount this today, so next time we're here we'll do time lapse, but not this time. It's not gonna be that interesting anyway. We're just gonna be chucking carpet and crap. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.